Hi guys! So ngayon, very chill lang yung content natin today. Walang sasayaw, may sasayaw naman siguro, pero very pabebe lang. And, very chill lang yung gagawin natin for today kasi nga, yung algo ni TikTok is, ayaw niya ng medyo flirty or which is yun yung branding ko. So, medyo lay lang muna tayo sa ganon. And magpapaka good girl lang muna tayo for this week. And tingnan natin if okay ba si TikTok. So, ayun na nga. Meron kasi sa akin, nagpapa-help siya, which is kamag-anak ko lang din naman. And she asked me to talk to her daughter na regarding sa money. I mean, they are financially stable. Financially unstable rather. Kasi